I know.
We're here for you guys in the rain.
Come in. What's up, you guys? Welcome to another adventure with Carla and Kiko Adventures. We are here in the rain
Downtown Disney.
to go into downtown Disney and Buena Vista Street. Yeah, we had a 8% chance of rain last night, and as we were driving down, it was more like 100%. So we're gonna come and do a little shopping, hope to get some stuff that we weren't able to get online, and enjoy the day, enjoy the rain.
The end of AP, so I'll try.
They finally opened up the gates.
They're spraying us down with Lysol.
The water from above is spraying us down. Oh my God. So, note to self, bring a big freaking umbrella, otherwise you're gonna be... Good morning!
Good morning,
Two people
friend.
sharing a tiny umbrella. All right, this sucks. Whoever thought this was a good idea, not a good idea. It sucks. But no line, which is good. We got here early and gonna enter DCA. Awesome. Good morning. The upside to it raining is it's empty. Good morning. Absolutely empty. Mind you, they just opened up, but still, it's pouring, dude. It is pouring. So we are headed over to the Trolley Treats candy store. Oh, look. Hi. She's making the toffee. Mmm. So cool. A little sneak peek. All right. Head on in. No wait today. Yummies, yummies. Candy. Woo, good morning.
Watching those bakers, huh?
Yes. Look, Juan, the apple pie. That's the one we got.
We'll go to, I'll get it at Marceline's.
Yeah.
At Marceline's too at downtown Disney. And they have a Valentine's Day churro at the churro park.
I saw that. It didn't look appetizing.
Yeah, I saw one.
Is it? Oh.
There, you got it.
Oh my goodness. I'm looking like a hot mess because it's raining.
Mona!
Woo. So cute. If we had a doggy, I would totally buy this one. They got for big doggies and for little doggies and medium doggies too. So they have all the doggies and the kitties selections up here. They got frames and cookie cutters and water bottles and super cute. More Disney, more dogs. Yeah, these would be good for today. A rain hat, a rain jacket, umbrella. Juanito got us something. That way you can see how much of a hot mess I'm looking like. You got us the apple pie. Ooh.
Just for you, friend.
Yummy, yummy. Thank you.
Anything else in there?
You want me to show it?
What else is in there?
My one and only AP holder. Yeah.
This little cap here.
The little bucket hat.
Trending. Is that what it's called?
It's a bucket hat for the 2021. They still have the blue collection. Good morning. Or not. They still have a lot of Chinese New Year merch. They got spirit jerseys and the headbands. Here they are. up close and personal, the new Nuimos, which they're cute, but I don't know.
The Donald one is so cute. That's the only one to get.
You know why I don't like it? Because they don't have a goofy one. WTH.
Look at him, his little panza.
Aw, they even have it for Lunar New Year. How cute. Super, super cute. All right, just for kicks, let's see how much these things cost. I think $39.99. Oh, okay. $19.99. Not bad. Let's see an outfit. $12.99. Okay. All right. Loving it. Oh, these are cute. Very Eastery. Spring colors.
These are new.
Yes. These are new. 101 Dalmatians. And the cat. Is it the Aristocats?
Yeah, very.
Mm-hmm. With the little backpack and the wallet. Super cute.
I don't know.
Naomi. I've never been in this store before.
I like these shirts here.
Loving them. Up there.
We
Like
had to leave
20.
earlier because we went to Carthay Circle.
We got the whole Star Wars section right here.
Hey, these are the new dresses, huh? This is the new stuff,
Yeah.
the dogs and cats
I know.
stuff. So you want to get this stuff, huh? Okay, dogs and cats.
So here we have the new collection.
This one's for you.
That's cute. The little Aristocat sweater. And the cat dress and the dog dress. With the cat purse and the dog purse. And they still have some Rapunzel purses and Winnie the Pooh. And the regular ones. Haunted Mansion. Awesome. So this is a brand new arrival. Just in. Black Widow.
It's called Gone Hollywood.
So Gone Hollywood is closed.
Yes, I can't believe it.
Super bummed because we were looking forward to that one.
I don't care about arcade.
Really, Kiko? We just went there, that's why you don't care about it.
I know.
Want to go to Carthay Circle? Juanito, let's go.
All right, insert photo here.
We were there. Check out who we just ran into. It's David from Fresh Baked. So my twins, Carlos and Jose, are huge fans.
I appreciate that. Hello, guys.
Hello. They were supposed to come today, but they didn't wake up on time.
It's a little rainy anyway.
Yeah. So yeah, their home's dry.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Enjoy your day.
You too.
Thank you so much for all your content.
Happy to.
Thank you.
You're
Have a
welcome.
good one.
The ride Juanito when it's raining?
So that used to be the entrance for the back lot. Now that is the exit. So now we get to go back inside of DCA to what used to be the exit of the back lot, which is now the entrance. You guys ready? Ready, Eddie? Ready, Eddie?
Everybody's hanging underneath the oven.
I know. So they don't get wet. We still have it blocked off, so you can't really walk into the area over there. Aw, I miss Carthay Circle. I was only there once, but I miss it. Back down Hollywood. Let's go back down the boulevard. Came back to the back lot. They got the merch underneath the covered area. Alrighty, so they have the line to enter over here on this side now. And you gotta form the line, and then they let you in. Which is interesting because it says exit there, but then the guys in the front told us that the exit was on the other side. So the line's moving pretty fast. We've been standing here for about 5 minutes or so. Got a couple more people in front of us. So they actually have 2 exits. This one's one, and then the other one takes you to downtown Disney side. All right, we're finally in. First time into the back lot. Yeah, we need to stay in here for a while. It's nice and dry. So, is this the same merch fund that they have at World of Disney? Hi, Groot. We haven't busted him out of the box yet.
Groot!
Dance!
Hey, Groot!
Probably doesn't.
No.
Cute. What is this thing, fun?
No, those are the ones from Guardians of the Galaxy.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I didn't go on the ride, so I don't know. Super cool. I like that they have everything spaced out. I like that they have a lot of items, so that's cool. Oh, this is a haunted mansion, the 3 ghosts, the hitchhiking ghosts. That's a cool figurine. Ooh, and it's glow in the dark? What? So, it is pretty much the same stuff that we've seen already in the other stores, but it is a nice escape from the rain, so that's good. So they got a bunch of pins that I haven't seen, and I'm actually like super excited about this one. Taco Day Goofy, love it. Emperor's New Groove. That one's cute, actually. I like that one.
The lip figure. Oh, look at that. Yoda best. You use that
Yoda
one.
Best, yes.
Oh, I like this one.
That one's cute too. Limited release.
Oh.
Yeah, this one. Beauty and the Beast with Chip. Oh, wow.
Oh, I've never seen any of these except for I seen the dots.
Look at the Goofy. Oh, I gotta get the Goofy one. That's cute. All right, did a little bit of damage at the back lot. Not much. Heading on out.
Yeah.
Lay it. Party box. All right, we're exiting the back lot. It's a cool little fence covering. So we just did a little photo op. Juanito's dancing in the rain. You're not singing though, just dancing?
Just dance.
Okay. And we're gonna exit on to downtown Disney.
Nice.
Exiting out.
Back to downtown.
Yeah, thank you so much.
We're hungry.